Today, my heart sank when I discovered 3 leaves on my variegated anthurium had rotted. One of them had stunning variegation, making the loss even more painful.
Uy, naputol. Guwapa unta kayo. So very pretty. Pretty. Sayang, sorry. Pero buhay pa jud ang tanuman. Naputol, pero sayang lang kaining dahon na ba? Sayang kayo, kay big na kayo. Unta, yan, igawas na iyang variegation, oh. Height is 39 and the width is 12 inches. Sayang. Sorry, tanong. Ang mama niya kanang big kayo.